I think it's good.
Yeah, it's great.
Good footage.
Don't drop it again.
I try not to.
Oh god.
God damn it.
Maybe you need a cameraman instead of doing it with the fursuit because the pause.
No, that's the first time. That's the first time.
How long?
What you need is a strap.
Strap. Yeah. You're recording right now, aren't you?
Put that on YouTube.
No. Grab that channel.
Here, let me see if I can.
I got it.
Oh, you got it. Nice. You're the person who put the pause on backwards.
Man.
Yeah, probably.
Oh, okay. I remember.
Why can't I see anything?
We're on the third floor. We're on the 10th. Oh, wow.
Let's see the elevator. I don't want to challenge stairs.
No.
There we go.
One floor downstairs.
Yeah.
More like
those things.
I broke it. It's broken. Can't believe I broke my camcorder. Ah! I broke it. I can't see anything. I'm so sad. I have to get it fixed.